Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. Time for another quick unboxing video. This time it's a budget analog watch from Casio. It's from their Enticer series and the model is MTP-V005D, color variant 2B5. As usual, the packaging might be different between distributors, but it will include a similar manual and warranty paper. And here is the watch. As usual with color variant number 2, it has a blue theme and this one features a beautiful blue dial. Here it is, a blue dial with a Sunray effect and white indices with Roman numerals. Here's a close-up of the watch. Looks good. It uses a triple fold clasp and the steel bracelet looks okay. The clasp clicks with just the right amount of force, not too hard, not too easy. And here's a closer look at the dial. Beautiful. The indices look printed, which is understandable considering the price point. And yes, the bracelet is still in its original length, too long, and I will adjust it later. So yes, that's all for now. I will make a more detailed review. Thank you for watching and have a great day.